Hi, it's teacher Nana from CED Learning Center. So today we're learning phonics, which are CR and CL. So let's start with CR. How do we say CR? Cr, k, kr, r, cr, cr. Let's look at her mouth.
Cr,
Again.
cr,
Cr, cr. Let's read the sentences together.
The crow took my crown.
The crow took my crown.
The crab wants to eat the fruit.
The crab wants to eat the fruit.
The cricket is eating ice cream.
The cricket is eating ice cream.
It's really a crazy place.
It's really a crazy place. So that's it. CR, cr, cr. Let's move on to CL. Cl, 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 cl. Let's look at her mouth.
Cl,
One more time.
cl.
Cl. Let's read the sentences together.
A clever girl makes a clay clock, cooks clam soup, and plays clarinet.
A clever girl makes a clay clock, cooks clam soup, and plays clarinet.
Let's clap for her.
Let's clap for her. Cl sound. So CR, cr, CL, cl. Okay, I'm gonna say 3 words and let's see if you can tell which one is CR and CL. Okay, first word, crack, crack. 3, 2, 1, time's up. CR, crack. Okay, second one, clock, clock. 3, 2, 1, CL. It's CL, clock. Okay, and last one, cramp, cramp. 3, 2, 1, time's up. CR, because cramp. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget cr and cl. Bye-bye.